What's up to all those alone in the zone? John Eli Lopez back once again with another one. I'm about to take y'all on a ride to another one of my favorite spots in BK. And we are just gonna roll till we get there. Suited up and booted up. All right. Got all your gear all the time. And we are good to go. Engage. Beautiful day in Brooklyn. About 70 degrees, and let's go. What is he doing? All right, he's not turning. Good. Let's go. All right, guys, we are headed to a famous landmark in Brooklyn, New York that has seen better days. COVID-19, the pandemic hit everything hard, and this landmark was already struggling before COVID. So the pandemic did not help. Here we go. The magical Wonder Wheel. Not so magical anymore, but hopefully we'll get it back. And we are here, guys, at Coney Island. World famous. Perfect timing. Look like the Q and or the D train is on the go. Correct me if I'm wrong. Got the twin beamers looking spanky. Wonder Wheel has not moved in a minute. Coney Island might be returning. The numbers keep going down. Nice bike. See, that's what happened. I was in neutral. That's what sometimes happens when you're trying to launch somebody. It just revs. You gotta be cautious of that. And as you can see, Coney Island's not looking as nice as it used to. Gotta close down stores. See what's good. Look at this. Not a good look. Said it's in development, so we'll see. Arcade. Cyclone. One of the oldest roller coasters. Wooden at that. We're gonna spin back. Go down the cyclone block, see what's good here. All right, some people out here. Empty. Kind of a somber feeling, you know. You know, as a kid, you come down here, this place is jam-packed, music playing, people. This Coney Clipper used to seem so big as a kid. Shout out to the mothers, all the parents. They bring their kids to these kind of places and, you know, try to make childhood fun for the kids and memorable. Good to see some people still doing it, but damn sure ain't what it was, once what it was. Hopefully it comes back, man. What are you doing? Gotta send that to Dan the Fireman, Moto Madness, you know? What's wrong with that guy? What is wrong with you? Dan might not like that I pulled up on the side, but you know, I found my escape route. You know? And I was not going fast, so those are the factors, you know. I saw there was a possibility of him doing it, but I didn't expect him to go. And then he going, come on, the hand gesture, like move, come. Like, yo, idiot, you didn't see what you did? Now you messed up my Coney run. Now we gotta make a couple of double backs. We gotta make a quick double back. Coney Island Brewery. Hey, people are here, right? This is the one place that got people getting the drinky drink on. You know, you don't want to do the horn, but I did the, you know, you want to really concentrate on escaping. Still moving. Still moving. World famous Nathan's. I don't think they ever closed since the pandemic. This was one place that stayed open. A staple, you know. Let's go down here, see what's going on down here. Now, you know, the activities are closed, the attractions, but all the rides, but you know, certain things are still open. The boardwalk area. Still got some people out here making money, you know. It's good. Come out here, support local vendors. Brooklyn still got some life in it. Brooklyn still got some life in it. You know, some places, you know, thrive since Corona, and then some, the doors have shuttered. The Freak Bar. World famous Coney Island sideshows. I just wanted to pass here. This is a famous place also. Closed up, looking like, is it open? Closed, keep out. Coney Island looking hurt. Coney Island looking jacked to the up. At least some things are open. Thankful for that, I guess. Finding ways to survive. That's it. That's the lesson. You know? Pandemic hit everybody. So find ways to pivot and survive. That's the mantra for today. Down but not out. Down but not out. Thunderbolt. All right, home of the world famous Cyclones, the Brooklyn Cyclones. MCU Park. Is that the parachute ride? Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys got some value from this video. If you did, switch gears on that subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment. Any feedback will be appreciated. So until next time, John Eli Lopez signing out. Y'all be good and be safe.